name is Wes Bird. I'm the Operations Director for our company, All-Stone Quarries. I grew up in the business, so it's a family-run business. My father and mother started back in 1970, so we had our 50-year celebration in 2020. Pretty much grew up on working, helping Dad on machines since I was young. So we started with mobile screening and crushing. And in the 90s, we actually started on the site we're on today, which is our Newbridge quarry. So we started this site with the intent of just a fill-in. Over the last 30 years, the site's grown from mobile gear to fixed gear now, with 20 employees on this site, 6 days a week. We run 3 batch plants at the moment. On our site here, we also have one in Castlemaine, which is our newest batch plant, and we have one in Bendigo. We've always run Volvo gear. One of the earliest machines my father bought back in the early 80s was a Volvo LM840. And then progressively through the years, we've had many different pieces of equipment, but his first brand new piece of equipment he bought in '85 was a Volvo 4500 BM from the Sydney Road site, which we still actually run today in our batching plant. We've currently run about 25 pieces of Volvo equipment throughout the company on our contract plants, in our nurseries. We range everything from our smallest Volvos, which are the L20 in our sand and soil yards, up to the biggest wheel loaders we run is the 250 180s as well. And then typically we run like the L70 size machines in our concrete plants and sand and soil yards.
My name is Jack Truan. I'm Northwest Regional Sales Manager for CJD Equipment. So I manage all of Northwest Victoria, right up to the Murray, all the way to Mildura and back down diagonally. ASQ is probably one of the first customers that I interacted with when I started at CJD. They are one of our largest customers in Victoria. When I was finally able to sit down with Wes and get an understanding of his business and understand his current relationship with CJD and what he wants from us, it was a good opportunity to take that to other customers as well.
We've chosen the Volvo brand. I guess Dad started back, he liked the style of the Volvo with the articulation. So we've just naturally progressed into it. We find that the fuel efficiencies have always been really well, and probably operator comfort, even in the older machines, have, I guess, been what we feel is superior to a lot of other brands. And even today, like, the feedback from our operators is they like the operator comfort. Us as a company, I guess, always are looking at the bottom line, so fuel efficiency, machine uptime, all that sort of stuff is what we look at, and the Volvo have been a good fit for our company for those reasons.
Apart from Volvo being a reputable and robust brand, they are a reliable, safe and ergonomic machine for all operators, but of course Wes and ASQ do care a lot about their employees and their working conditions, so to have the Volvos work across all their sites in Victoria is really special for us, to be able to see that Volvo flag being flown so proudly. The feedback we get from our customers regarding our loaders is they're comfortable, they're ergonomic, they're cheap to run, they're cost effective. So these are all essential, integral parts of most of, if not all, businesses. To be able to produce a loader that not only works well but is globally known is something that CJD take pride in.
It's always been an easy relationship with CJD. Everyone that we deal with, whether it's sales, parts, service, backup service, they go out of their way to make sure that the machines are available and they're backed up. The relationship, I don't see it being any different to the last 30, 40 years. We look to them for backup support and providing us with machines that are going to fit the needs of our evolving company. So as we evolve, whether it's pricing, being able to put machines into the fleet to reduce our overheads, it's all huge to our company, and CJD have offered that for the last 30 years. So I can't see it changing going forward.